Hi guys! Welcome again to my YouTube channel, May Fine Art. And today's video, guys, I will show to you what I use for my eyebrow. So guys, I have this Catrice Cosmetics, this one. I have this already for since last year. So it's not yet finished and you just have to sharpen it. Any sharpener will do, and this costs not too much, guys. I think less than 10 euro. You can find it in your local makeup store, or I think I brought it in Crowdvat. So I have many other eyeliners, like yeah, the one, but I usually use this. I find it easier for me and very handy. So guys, I will just show to you. Yes, I have a breakout pimple and it's really in the middle. Oh, so annoying, right? So how I shape my eyebrow. So you can really see the difference with or without eyebrow, right? Right. You can actually shape your eyebrow depending on what you like. And the other side. Oh, my kids are already wake up, guys. Good morning, family. Say hello, good morning.
Good morning. Hello, makeup.
Yes.
Ma, kan begin met een potlood.
This is a koan. Yes, this looks like a putload. Putload for them means a color pen. It's a wing for the wing brow, Noah.
What
Yes.
brown?
Yeah.
That's for brown.
That's for brown, yes. She's very curious. So that's the for my eyebrow. And then I also have this Catrice Blush. So this color glowing multicolor glue. There. So it's not really expensive, guys. I bought it in our local shop, Carrefour. So they have like 3 palette colored, little bit of brownish blush, pinkish blush, and this. So you can actually just mix this, and then they do like that. There. So there. There. It's too much? No. Actually, I use that like that with the use of this brush. There's have no brand for this, guys. So for my eyes, yes, the same palette I use, Catrice also. So see, it's not so, it's old already, guys, but I'm still using it. It's not yet finished, right? So there's really difference if you put some makeup to your face and without. So I will try here. When I use the color palette, guys, I use this darker in the side. But first, there's one tip that you can use to make it more sharp edge. They use a tape, guys. Tape, literally a tape, so that the edge will be more fine, like that. Also the other side. So it's more clean. Voila. Voila. And after that, you get your palette and makeup. Form at first here. The other side. This is a nude palette actually. I was looking here because there's a mirror. Here. And then I put the reddish. This red. It's already finished, guys, but I like the Catrice, really. I also bought another more expensive product, but it's in my bag. See? Powder are almost finished, but I don't like to throw things if it's not yet if the other palettes are not yet used up. There. And then a little bit of this. I use this one, a little bit of glitters, like that. So it's also like painting, guys, in the canvas, but now it's painting your face. So that's there. There. And then a little bit like this. Highlight of your eyes. So we will remove the tape. This is fun. Oh, stretch. Is there difference? See the line? It's more straight. The other one? Yes. So guys, that's it. And then my makeup really is not too difficult to follow. I will have some highlight in my nose, like that. Like that. Okay. So what I will use next is this soft eyeliner pen. I bought it in Hema. Why? Because I like the color of this. I think it's like, yeah, it's soft color, not like the black. This is violet. So I think I will try to do the line. So wait, this is a mirror. I know. We'll just move a little. So I will make like a point line. You know what, guys? I feel like, or as like everybody else, it feels good when you have a makeup. You know why? Sometimes it just boosts your self-esteem. Yes. There. So this one and then this one not yet. I might look so stupid, right? But it's not so easy. There. So, does it give me a better look? Yes, I think. There. And then, putting my lipstick. See, EverBilena. I like the color of this pink. Just very simple. Supreme lipstick. Okay. So, that's my look. And what else? That's it, guys. I hope that you like my makeup. And for those who like this video, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. And don't forget to like, comment also, guys. So, in my channel, you can find a lot of different videos. I usually want only my art video, but it seems now it's getting with different theme. But I'm doing some art tutorials, travel vlogs, and I'm doing some art kids tutorial or painting session. So for those who like this channel, please support me and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I also offer some membership. I offer an exclusive videos to those who are my member, depending on what they like. Like, is it a tutorial for makeup or for painting, or yes. So those are the videos that in my channel, and I hope you like this video once again. And for those, please support me and this channel, okay? So thank you so much, and greetings to all of my family and friends over there in the Philippines and in Belgium. Bye bye. Mwah.